Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning back in. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a DIY hair mask using aloe vera and avocado pear. This mask will help to moisturize your hair, to make your hair to shine. It will help to restore your hair if it is dry, and it can help to grow your hair. So if that's what you're interested in, please keep watching. Our first ingredient for this DIY is fresh aloe vera gel. You can see as I'm cutting the aloe vera gel, just cut out the rough edges, cut into two, and scoop out the gel using a knife or a spoon into your blender. Then after that, like this. So after that, I'm adding a little water because my fresh aloe vera gel is not much, to enable the stuff to blend very well. After blending, you can sieve with a cheesecloth. I'm using my old pair of socks, pantyhose, to sieve the juice from the aloe vera. Then we'll be using the avocado. Just cut it into two, scoop out the meat or the flesh of the avocado into a blender. I'm using 2 avocado for this part because my hair is full and I need a lot of so it can go around. Then pour in the aloe juice, and I'm using my Ayurveda oil. If you've not seen the video, if you want to know how I make this oil, please check the description box. So blend. But if you don't have the Ayurveda oil, you can add the oils that you have, like olive oil and some essential oil. Just look at it, how creamy it is. I feel like licking it. Oh my god, it looks very creamy. So I'll start applying it by parting my hair into sections for easy application. So I'll apply it from my end, from my root to the tips of my hair, or from my tips to my ends. So just make sure you apply to wet the hair with the mixture so that the hair will absorb the whole nutrient and the goodness of this mask. I've already washed my hair before doing this. I washed my hair with my Shikaika hair cleanser. So I'm just deep conditioning the hair now. When you finish this, you come back to thank me because it will leave your hair moisturized, soft, shiny, and very the elasticity of your hair will definitely come back. So I'm applying it from the root of my hair to the tips of my hair to the ends of my hair. Make sure you wet every part of your hair with this mask so that every strand will benefit from the goodness. Just see the coils, they're already popping even when I've not even finished application. So you can imagine what it will do to your hair. So I'm applying. When I finish a session, I'll twist it up to help make the application easier for me, so it doesn't get in the way of applying other ones. So as you can see, I've applied it all over all my hair, and I'm loosening the twist so that you can see how the hair is. But usually I wash my hair in twist because it helps me in my detangling process. My hair is already long, so most times if I wash it like this, the detangling process takes time and very tiring. So but for the sake of this video, that's why I'm showing you guys how it is. So you can see, just use a bag. I'm using a shopping bag that I have in the house to wrap your hair, and wear a scarf just to steam, help the hair to steam. Or if you have a steaming cap, you can wear it for like 15 minutes, but mine, I will be wearing my own for like 30 to 40 minutes, so that the hair will be able to absorb the goodness. So I've washed the hair. This is what the hair looks like after washing. All my coils are popping. I have type 4B and 4C hair, so my front coils are not the same as the back coils, but the back coils are, my back hair coils are tighter than the front, so I can see the hair looks moisturized. I've not put any leave-in conditioner. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and see you in my next one. Thank you.